2015 Kia Sound engine size 146 VIN2. How to replace new water pump. First time, remove the negative battery and remove the engine mount, driver bell, engine mount, driver bell, and remove the 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt the fully water pump, and remove the 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt the water pump. And remove the water pump. Old water pump and new water pump. Part number. And the driver bell. And install the water pump. And you install the water pump. And install the bolt. Install the bolt. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolt. Install the bolt. And remove the fully driver bell and engine mount. Thank you watching video. If you like, you support for me. Thank you. Next time I put video, I'm appreciate when you support for me. Thank you.